Today I'm going to be showing you what I use and how I give myself a pedicure at home. First things first, you're going to need some sort of a smoothing treatment to add to your water that you'll be soaking your feet in. I also use a bath bomb. Of course, you'll need your nail files and finally your nail polish. So I'm going to be painting my toenails white, and then I have a clear gel top coat. You are going to need some cuticle removers. I purchased both of these tools from the dollar store, but you can also get them at your local beauty supply. And some sort of a tool that's going to aid in the removal of the calluses from your feet. I'm also going to be using a pumice stone and a sanding tool to make sure that my feet are nice and smooth once I'm done with the callus removal. Lastly, of course, a bin, something that you can fill with water and then soak your feet in. Going ahead and opening up that smoothing oatmeal treatment, pouring that to the water that I'll be soaking my feet in, and of course adding the bath bomb in as well. I allow my feet to soak in the water for at least 15 minutes. This is just a nice time to relax and also allow for the calluses on your feet to soften so that they're more easily removed. Going in with my cuticle removal tool, pulling off some of that dead skin from on and around my toenails. Make sure that you take your time with this. You do want to make sure that you're getting off as much of that dead skin as possible. The whole purpose of the pedicure is to make your feet look nice and clean, so try not to miss anything. Take your time and really get rid of all that dead skin. Once I've finished up with the first cuticle removal tool, I'll then go in with the second. Again, this can be purchased at your Dollar Tree or local hair supply store. Going over each toenail yet again, really making sure that there is no dead skin on or around my toenails. Now you can pick up your callus removal. This really can be compared to a cheese grater. So you're just going to use this tool and you're going to rub it against your feet. And this is going to remove that callus. This, in my opinion, is one of the most important parts of the pedicure because the whole purpose is to remove as much of that dead skin as possible so that your feet can be nice and soft, feel nice and clean. The second tool that you can now go in and use is the filer or the sander. This does remove dead skin and callus, but that's really not the purpose of using this tool. Really, you want to use this tool to smooth or soften your feet. After having used the more abrasive or aggressive callus remover, your feet can be left feeling a little rough. The same is true for the use of a pumice stone. It does remove some dead skin, it does remove some callus, but that's not the main reason why we're using it. It's just to smooth or soften the feet after having used the more abrasive callus remover that can leave your feet feeling rough. I'm going to go in one more time with my cuticle remover and just really make sure that there is no dead skin on or around my nails. This is the last time that I'll be doing this prior to applying my nail polish, so I really want to make sure that my toenails are clean. Of course, grab your nail file and file your toenails down. Make sure that they're all equal in length, that they're nice and straight across. If you need to cut your toenails prior to doing this, go ahead and do so. My toenails are generally pretty short, but if you need to use a nail clipper to cut your toenails prior to filing them, then go ahead and do that. Otherwise, just grab your nail file and file them. Now I'm just sanding or buffing my toenails, making sure that they're nice and smooth so that when I apply my nail polish, the application can be very smooth and flawless. I'm going to be painting my toenails white. I figured it would go nicely with my French tip on my fingernails. I think there's something about having white toenails that just looks so fresh and so clean, especially now for the springtime. I'm using the Sally Hansen Extreme nail polish in the color Bright White. I really would recommend this polish if you're looking for a truly white polish. In total, I'll be doing 3 coats. I just want to make sure that the color is nice and solid. Almost done. The only other thing that I'm going to do is go in with some nail polish remover, some Q-tips, and another sort of tool that I am going to be using to remove any white nail polish that may have gotten on my skin. So we really want to make sure that our polish is on our toenails and not on our skin. The final step is to go in with our clear gel top coat. I'm using the brand D&D. I also do 2 top coats of the clear just to ensure that my white polish underneath remains chip-free for as long as possible. If you do not have gel polish at home or the light to cure it, no worries. Just use a regular clear polish to top off your colored coat. And voila, we are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video.